everybody. Happy Yoga Therapy Thursday. We are at the end of 2020. Now I know some of you are probably saying, thank God. So today I wanted to talk about balance. Balance so we can go forward into the new year with our eyes wide open, with our full selves available. So rather than show you one specific thing today, I'm going to ask you some questions here at the end of the year. Which hand is your more dominant hand? Probably know the answer to that question. Which eye is your more dominant eye? Do you know the answer to that question? Cover one. How well do you see? Cover the other. Does it take you another moment to adjust, to really be able to see? Is it more blurry? So in other Yoga Therapy Thursdays, we'll be doing specific eye exercises. But you can try and just cover your dominant eye so you begin to train the one that isn't as intelligent so it can start to catch up. Your non-dominant hand, use it more. Most people are right-handed, so I would suggest try brushing your teeth with your left hand. Put a little post-it on your mirror to remember to brush your teeth with your left hand, because brushing our teeth is something that is habitual and we just go into automatic pilot. So if you have a little reminder, it'll help you. And if you're using your left hand, it'll actually help orient you more, which will again train your left eye because eyes cross-reference. Which leg is your more dominant leg? You have to catch yourself during the day several times to really answer this question. So here I am seated in a chair. When you're sitting and doing email the next time or fiddling on your computer, catch yourself at a moment where you're not paying attention. Part of you, many of you will be sitting like this, or like this, or like this. All those instances is my left foot and leg not holding ground the same way that my right one does. When you're standing, you shift your weight to one side more than the other. And I guarantee you that what you do in your life, brushing your hair with your right hand, brushing your teeth with your right hand, writing with your right hand, you will be stronger in all of your yoga poses on your right. Whatever you do in your legs, you will do it in every single yoga pose. If you are oriented slightly to the left, you will be that way in every single yoga pose. And if you keep doing your yoga the same way that you're living your life or spending your moments in life, you will be deepening that same groove. And the whole point of the practice is to bring us back into balance. So the time that we're on the mat is the time that we can use to build strength where we don't have it, to go where we don't normally go. Yoga is not supposed to be comfortable necessarily, but it's never supposed to be painful. So use your practice to build your whole self up, and that is what will make you more powerful. That is what will build your stellar nature, what is uniquely you. And I'm wishing you the happiest and best self in 2021.